Hi there. It's not very often I get in front of the camera, but today, here we are. My next job is quite a serious dent to a Range Rover Sport. I've had a few customers in the past contact me regarding having dents repaired, and they've seen stuff on the internet like you can pop it out with dry ice and all the rest of it, and the fact that a lot of them seem to think that paintless dent removal cannot be 100%. Well, I'm here to say it can. So the following video is a Range Rover, so enjoy. So what we've got here is a Range Rover Sport with quite a substantial dent in the roof pillar, roof rail, which there's no access to the back of it, so it needs to be glue pulled. So I'm going in and see how we get on. Right, 10 minutes in and it's starting to come out. So, carry on. Right, here's the finished result. I've been at that for just over an hour, and as you can see, that's pretty much gone. And that was 100% glue pulled. So I'm back. There you go. PDR 100%. Real time, that took me around about an hour. Obviously with glue, you're pulling a lot more than you actually want to pull up, and then you're just tapping it back, pull it up, tap it back. It does take time and a lot of patience, but the result's there. Thank you for watching.